I will share with you how to remove an administrator password in Mac. So first click on this little Apple icon from this corner, select System Settings. Now go scroll down to Users and Groups, and next to the administrator accounts that you want to change, that you want to remove its password, click on this little eye icon. This window pops up. Next to password, click on change. Now fill in your current password. And here in the new password and also in the verify field, put nothing and then click on change password. As you see here, you did not enter a password for this user account. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, anyone will be able to log into your computer, and also stored fingerprints will be removed for this user account. Now, if I will click on continue, I will remove the password for this account. And this is how to remove an administrator password in Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.